welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I got this beautiful bouncy blow dry. So if you want to know, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I washed my hair, just shampoo and conditioner, and also my makeup in this video is in my previous video, so make sure to check that out. So first of all, I do put in some hair oil or some hair serum just to help protect against heat and to help give me a nice shine. So I really just rub that into mainly the ends because I don't want to make my roots too greasy, and I just give my hair a really good brush through. I think brushing your hair beforehand is one of the most important steps because it really gets out all the knots, makes it so much easier to do your hair as well. So when I noticed here there was a little smudge, I thought it was either on the wall, but it was actually in the lens. So ignore that throughout the video because I didn't really know how to get rid of it once I started. So you need some clips just to roll your hair up after. I think this method that I'm doing today is probably one of the easiest ones. So take it from me, it is. So I split my hair. I give my hair a really nice dry first through because you only really need your hair literally like 5-10% wet, if even. It only needs to be the littlest amount of dampness just to really get a nice style in it. And this goes for whether you're blow drying your hair straight or you're blow drying your hair curly with some volume. It makes no odds. Because even when I'm in the salon, that's what I do. Everyone just blow dry everyone's hair out to make it a lot easier to go in ahead. So then I give my hair another brush through. I split it in half just because I'm going to do a middle parting, and I clip up one side away and then take out a small section of hair that I'm going to be starting with. So what I do is I get the hair dryer and I wrap my hair around the brush, and you'll see now in a second it will zoom in a little. I keep twisting the ends because I want a nice curl and a bounce on the end, so I keep twisting it, and sometimes little bits will fall out, and that's completely fine. You just need to go ahead, there's a little bit hanging there that I was pulling, but you just need to go ahead and put it all in. But you can see the ends are starting to look super smooth, and that's what you want. You want the ends, that's the most important part, because if you just blow dry too abrasively and too fast and you don't give concentration to the ends, it's going to look dry and matted from the heat, but you want to just give it a nice smoothness. So then once I roll it up, I do give it like a little bit of heat just to really penetrate it in and help give the definition of the curl. I also wrap it out and have a quick look at how the curl is developing, just so it gives me a slightly better idea of what's going on. So then I get a little clip and I just roll it back and pin it into place. When I'm doing this particular blow dry, I never really worry about sections. I just do the sections so that I'm not pulling my hair or hurting myself, and I just really get in the roots just to dry it. And I just continue this all the way across my hair, except for the very front section, which you'll see in a moment. But you can alter this into completely different styles. If you use smaller sections, you're going to have curlier hair. If you use bigger sections, you're going to have less curl, a little bit more bounce. That's how I judge it. So then I took like almost a triangle section from the front of my hair, and I blow dried forward just to get it nice and smooth. It's just easier this way. And then I blow dried it back, which you'll see in 1 second. But you can see me here as I'm getting to the ends. I'm really rolling it and trying to get it to look as smooth as possible so I can have that nice smooth effect at the front. Then I roll it back, bring it forward, and then roll it back with the hair dryer. Also on this camera, and my hair comes up looking slightly more red than it does in person. I know it doesn't look red, but it's actually a lot more orangey in person, which I'm liking. And then I just roll that back, and that's the last section I take out because I dry the rest first. So then I let it set for 10-15 minutes. You can let it set all day. And then I get some hairspray and some like shine spray as well. So I give all a good going over some hairspray just to help set it a little. And don't come at me for the hairspray, it's just the quickest one I found. And then I just take out all the curls that I put in, except for the very last one, because you want to leave that one set a second or two longer. Then I get the spray. I spray it in my hand. You can use a serum or an oil, whatever you want, and I rub it in, and then I just bring it through all my hair, really concentrating on the ends again. So I focus on the ends to really make sure that they are nice and smooth, and I can develop the curl into whatever style I want it to be, and to help lift the roots where it might be flattened from being pinned down. As you can see, it can kind of feel like it's tangling a little at the ends, but trust me, it will all work out. If your hair can take you can also brush it as well, whatever works best for you. And then I take out the top section and basically do the same, whatever style you kind of want to place it in as well. I have mine in the middle, but I know this kind of style will work for any kind. You could have brought it all to one side or whatever you want. I realized I had a little broken piece from the last time I got some highlights done. Devastated, but it's not too bad. I just sprayed a little bit of hairspray on it. And yeah, I absolutely love this. In total, it probably took me like 40 minutes to blow dry my hair and style it, and that's including waiting around for 10-15 minutes as well. So it's not too bad, but once you get the hang of it, you'll realize the easiest and best way for you. And I normally get about 3 or 4 days out of this before it starts to really flop and I need to like recurl it with the curler. But yeah, all in all, I love this style. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.